Mahaganpati. Ganesha met Tripurasur in the guise of a Brahmin. Tripurasur was mesmerized by Ganesha's precious stones. So Ganesha gave him the diamonds and the pearls. This made Tripurasur very happy, and he told the Brahmin to ask for a wish. The Brahmin, Ganesha himself, asked for the Chintamani, a wish-fulfilling jewel possessed by Shiva. Tripurasur reached Mount Kailash and asked Shiva to give him the Chintamani. Shiva refused, and a violent battle ensued. Finally, Tripurasur won the war. Shiva asked sage Narad how Tripurasur defeated him. "O Lord, it is because you forgot to worship Ganesha before starting the war," Narad told him. Shiva rectified his mistake by chanting the Om mantra and remembering Ganesha. On the sound of Om, a 5-faced and 10-handed form of Ganesha made an appearance. This Omkar Ganesha gave Shiva a special mantra. Using this mantra, Shiva killed Tripurasur with just one arrow. On the place where he had slain Tripurasur, Shiva made Mahaganpati's shrine. Gana wants Chintamani. The jewel Chintamani has one more tale related to it. King Abhijit and Queen Gunvati had a charming son called Gana. The intelligent and the robust child was Shiva's devotee. Shiva was very pleased with Gana's worship and granted him a few boons. This made him very egoistic, and soon he was surrounded by negative people. Sage Kapil owned a wish-fulfilling gem called Chintamani. The gem had the ability to provide food to thousands of people. Once, Gana went to meet Kapil at his hermitage. When his eyes fell on the shining gem, he wanted to own it. Kapil knew about the negative company Gana had fallen in. He feared that Gana would misuse it to harm people if he acquired the gem. When Sage Kapil refused to part with the gem, Gana took it away by force. The mortified sage prayed to Ganesha, who appeared before him and promised to help. Chintamani Vinayak. Ganesha had promised Sage Kapil that he would help him get back the Chintamani. One night, Ganesha appeared in Gana's dream. Gana dreamed that Lord Ganesha had cut off his head. When he woke up, instead of repenting his sinful deed, he was furious and charged towards Kapil's hermitage to kill him. King Abhijit requested his son to return the gem to Kapil. However, Gana was adamant and paid no heed to his father's advice. When he and his army reached Kapil's hermitage, he saw that Lord Ganesha had come there with his own army to rescue Kapil. Ganesha killed Gana and returned the Chintamani to Kapil. However, Kapil had lost all interest in the gem. He asked Ganesha to keep it, as it had caused a lot of trouble. Kapil then offered Ganesha's favorite modaks to him. He lovingly hung the jewel around Ganesha's neck. Chintamani Vinayak, a pious shrine, was built at this place. Ballal and Ganesha. In a village called Palli, there lived a merchant named Kalyan Sheth and his wife Indumati. Their son Ballal was an ardent devotee of Lord Ganesha. One day, Ballal went to the forest with his friends to play. Ballal was very pleased when he saw a large stone. He told his friends to imagine the stone to be Lord Ganesha and to worship it. The children drew a trunk on the stone with red paint and made an offering of beautiful flowers to it. Some boys ran and brought fresh fruits. They offered the fruits to the idol. They were very happy and began chanting Ganesha's mantra. They also recited the couplet Vakratunda Mahakaya. When the boys did not return for quite some time, the anxious parents rushed to the forest. They accused Ballal of spoiling their children. When the other children saw their parents, they ran to them and went home happily. But Lal continued to stay there and pray.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.